something sweet and almost kind, but he was mean and he was coarse and unrefined. And now he's dear and so unsure. I wonder why I didn't see it there before.
What's there, Mama?
Shh. I'll tell you when you're older.
When I'm human again, only human again, poised and polished and gleaming with charm, I'll be courting again, chic and sporting again.
I can't wait to be human again.
It's a beast one as tall as a mountain. We won't rest till he's good and deceased. Sally forth, tally ho, grab your sword, grab your bow.